Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into two essential trading concepts that every investor should know: spot trading and futures trading. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will break it down for you. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about spot trading. Spot trading is the purchase or sale of a financial instrument, like stocks or cryptocurrencies, for immediate delivery. This means that when you buy or sell an asset on the spot market, the transaction is settled on the spot, usually within 2 business days. For example, if you buy Bitcoin today for $100,000, you pay that amount, and the Bitcoin is transferred to your wallet almost instantly. This type of trading is straightforward. You own the asset right away and can sell it whenever you choose. Spot trading is ideal for those who want to hold assets for the long term or take advantage of short-term price movements. You buy low, sell high, and you own the asset immediately. Now let's shift gears and talk about futures trading. Unlike spot trading, futures trading involves contracts that obligate the buyer to purchase and the seller to sell an asset at a predetermined price at a specific date in the future. For instance, if you believe that the price of oil will rise in 3 months, you might enter into a futures contract to buy oil at $70 a barrel. If the price goes up to $80 at the contract's expiration, you can buy it at the lower price and either sell it for a profit or take delivery of the oil. Futures trading can be a bit more complex as it allows for leveraging. This means you can control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. However, it also comes with higher risks. If the market doesn't move in your favor, you could end up losing more than your initial investment. So, what are the key differences between spot trading and futures trading? Here's a quick rundown. 1. Ownership. Spot trading gives you immediate ownership of the asset. Future trading involves a contract for future ownership. 2. Settlement time. Spot trades settle immediately or within a couple of days. Futures contracts settle on a specific date in the future. 3. Risk and reward. Spot trading is generally less risky as you own the asset outright. Futures trading offers higher potential rewards but also comes with increased risk. In summary, both trading strategies have their advantages and disadvantages. Spot trading is great for those who want simplicity and immediate ownership, while futures trading can be a powerful tool for those looking to leverage their investments. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on trading and investing. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.